ശാന്തിയും സന്തോഷവും സമാധാനവും മാത്രം. ഇത്രയും പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങളെ എല്ലാവരെയും ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടും നിങ്ങൾക്കെല്ലാവർക്കും തിരുവോണത്തിന്റെയും രജത ജൂബിലിയുടെയും ആശംസകൾ നേർന്നുകൊണ്ടും എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരു നല്ലൊരു ഈവനിംഗ് ആശംസിച്ചുകൊണ്ടും ഞാൻ എന്റെ വാക്കുകൾ നിർത്തുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson. And now we shall have a motion on condemnation against the brutal attack on Christians in the Indian state of Orissa. To present the motion, I kindly invite the advisory board member, Mr. Sunny.
Your Excellency, Mar Camilo Balin, Bishop of Kuwait, Kuwait Kanaya Cultural Association President, Mr. Stephen, Reverend Father Anthony, and distinguished guests. We have been reading in the newspaper and watching on television the last couple of weeks against the atrocities being committed against our Christian brethren in Orissa, Mangalore, and elsewhere in our state too. We are indeed perplexed at the inadequate measures being taken by the state and the central government to contain these atrocities. Us being a Christian organization, in sympathy with our Christian brethren in Orissa, we strongly condemn these atrocities in the words that I'll be reading out. Kuwait Knanaya Cultural Association strongly condemns the recent brutal attack on Christian minorities in the Indian state of Orissa. As an outcome of the murder of the VHP leader by suspected Maoists on August 23, 2008, Hindu extremists attacked the Christian community across the state of Orissa. The violence caused many losses of innocent human lives and massive destruction of properties of Christian community. About 26 people were killed and 4,000 Christian homes, churches, schools, orphanages, and other centers were burned or destroyed by Hindu extremists. Priests, nuns, children, and hundreds of Christians were forced to flee to forests for their lives, days on end, without access to food, water, clothes, and other basic human needs. These attacks, as it appears, are pre-planned and coordinated to instill fear and hatred towards peace-loving Christian community for Western interests, and has spread to other states like Karnataka and even to our home state Kerala as well. Differences of religion cannot be blamed for these crimes. We are distressed at the defiance of law and order by Hindu fundamentalist leaders and their public comments aimed at spreading lies and hate propaganda. These attacks have no possible justifications and are a sin against God and humanity. It harms the dignity and the freedom of people and is a big threat to peaceful civilian coexistence. We are also deeply troubled by the state and central government's inadequate response. The fact that identical attacks happened in the same area exactly 9 months ago is unbelievable. What will convince authorities to protect human rights and enforce constitutional guarantees? We are indeed thankful to our Hindu brethren who, in the face of destruction by the fundamentalists, opened the doors of their homes and provided shelter to many of our Christian brethren, risking their own lives. We, the members of Kuwait Knanaya Cultural Association, join our hands with our Christian brothers and sisters in Orissa, Mangalore, and elsewhere at these times of suffering, pain, and agony, and condemn these attacks in its strongest terms. Kindly rise for a minute in sympathy with our Christian brethren who are being persecuted in the name of Christ, that for a moment of prayer, that Christ may bless them and bless them to forgive those atrocities those people who committed their atrocities. As Jesus said, Father, forgive them what they do not know what they are doing. Please stand for a moment of silence.
Thank you, Mr. Sunny. And now, I would kindly invite His Lordship, Camilo Ballan, our today's chief guest, for his inaugural Onam message and to inaugurate the Onam celebrations by lighting the lamp. request His Lordship Camilo Ballan, our today's chief guest, for his inaugural Onam message.
Happy Onam to everybody. Do you understand my English, or is it better to translate into Malayalam? Do you want a translation? Yes or not? No. You know English better than I. So I am very happy to meet you on this occasion. I wish you a happy feast. I am every time happy to meet the people of the associations, not for the associations as such, but for having an occasion to meet the people, to meet you. And I wish that this feast be an occasion for you to be together as a group of families, and also to be more together in your family. I think that this feast is not only